Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. Just wanted to go over this heat pump pad that I use on every heat pump job. Wanted to show you how these are set up. They're made out of PVC. They're not your fake concrete ones that we sometimes use, but they're really good for heat pumps because the defrost will drain better with them. They got they're open in between here, so you don't have to worry about the system going into defrost when it's really cold and ice building up. It'll drain away good because these are elevated about that's a good 8 to 10 inches. I don't have my tape measure with me, but and the system will sit a lot better and not vibrate like it does if you do like one of those composite pads and then put the little plastic riser feet on each corner. They tend to vibrate over time, and I think it just looks tacky too. Some guys do that with the mini splits. I think it just looks like crap. So anyway, so this pad, when you buy it, it'll come with these little pads that go in there. So it's basically your little rubber ISO pads. So if you take them, one of these will go on each of these little segments, and it's got a little groove on one side, if you see that. And depending on what unit you're doing, you're going to slide this in and out to get it on the flat spot of the unit. And you set your unit first, slide it on there, and then just tilt up each corner and slide that little pad under each segment of the pad. And it actually locks the unit in really good. And as long as you make this plastic pad level, it's going to sit there really nice. It's nice to work on. It's not sliding around on you anywhere like it can tend to do on a regular pad. I just don't like the 4 feet option that guys do. I think this is the go-to pad for heat pumps. I really do. It takes getting used to. Of course, it looks kind of silly. It looks like a snowflake, but it works really well. And I use it on every job. The perfect scenario is to tell your customer, hey, pour yourself a concrete pad first underneath that, and then set this on top and say, hey, this, and then you can even anchor that thing down. So it's my go-to. I'll use it on everything that I do pertaining to heat pumps, and even for ACs. If somebody wants it elevated a little bit out of the way, you can use it for that too. So I just wanted to go over this pad real quick with you. Not much else to say about it. Just make sure sometimes when they ship these, they don't give you all the pads, so make sure you get 8 of those whenever you buy one. I get these for about this is the 32 by 32, which I use for my Bosch units. Cost me about $62. You're going to pay that for those composite pads, and you get something that's nicer and plug and play for the heat pumps. It's not a scenario where you have to buy that pad and then also buy those riser feet / snow legs that they call them. So anyway, wanted to go over that, and thanks for watching this video. I really want to keep showing you guys some of the stuff that I use, because it's important to me that we are installing quality products.